Alright, we're gonna be just playing Gorilla Tag. Not anything special. Depressed. Help. But this is my first video as well. No. My first video. I forgot that I didn't do a video for this. I don't care. I'm going to play.
Do you not see that? I know Do you not see that? What? There's something on the ceiling.
Yeah, he's faking.
It's called lights, man. It's called lights.
I know he's faking. I put the milk before the ceiling.
You wanna play mini games?
Bro, this
His name is Milk. That's crazy.
Nah, stupid.
Yeah, let's go, bro. Dab me up. Yeah, we homies. Yeah, me and Statue are homies.
with the beard. Guy
You want to have a fight?
Oh,
Get out of my space!
get out of my face!
Don't terrorize people when you're saying mini games. Guys, I made the mini games kid leave. I made the mini games kid.
Whoever made up minigames in the first, like the worst. Not the worst person. They made it Gorilla Tag fun. It's overused. Can't sponsor crap in this video because yeah, my first video ever. So I'm doing Gorilla Tag content. Hopefully, can do some bone up because I'm lots on here. No. I can't. Can't do. Can't.
Don't do this. Don't grab the floor. You have to do this. Then you move.
Bro, who is in the server? Just like 3 people.
Follow me,
No,
okay?
please.
Follow me to this hole.
Hey.
He's not even chasing me. What?
Okay.
Hi. Greetings.
No hi. No
Hi.
No hi.
Hi.
No.
Hi. I greet you with a friggin' ball in the face. That's not what I meant to say.
What?
Oh, what's happening? It says low. I just unplugged it.
Step on anything?
Crap!
What do you mean?
Oh, there's only 3 people. All right. Oh, see you later.
Wrong guy.
You might cross
I'm
that
cruising.
coupon? 'Cause that's the only thing I've been wearing.
Oompa.
Oh, don't run.
No.
Infection. Yeah. Got golden hat. I like it. I got bucket hat. I like that. Whose name is Tiny? Nah. Man.
I can easily find monkeys because I have a extra screen.
Hey.
Hi, monkey.
Hey.
My name's Walter White. What's yours?
No, your name is
Scooby.
Shuby, yep. Nice.
Your name is Sarah. Stop.
It's Super.
It's Sarah.
I can see
Super? What? That's not even how you spell it.
I can see in reverse.
What do you mean that's not even how you spell it? I made that name up. It freaking say Sauper. Speak English. Speak English. Speak it now. Oh, that kid speaks me. My bad.
Okay, I'm running away.
Walter White.
Yes, I found it.
Hey man, can I get one of those cookies? Thank you. Oh man, I do love me some cookies.
Please help me. Somebody help. Anybody help. Hello.
Hello. Oh crap. I see you. Lava monkey. Wait, where's the last person? Oh, it's right there.
You get out the whole lobby.
That's what I'm doing.
I bet you I could beat you up there.
I'll beat you.
Oh, let's go, baby. Woo.
Finally, I got it right. Buddy.
Oh, finally. Probably like several weeks. I haven't done that in a while.
Oh,
What's going on?
tunnel.
You guys be working together.
Tunnel. Through the mountain. Secret tunnel.
Don't make secret tunnel.
Is Secret Tunnel like still like popular now?
I don't know.
Oh, like, why do people sing it? Like, it's gonna keep it be copyrighted.
Hey, can we do some
Talk.
cookies? You do like that?
What?
You do like that?
I didn't see you.
No, I missed.
Hello.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's go, baby.
Did you?
Woo. I tagged
You
you.
didn't get me. You were up there.
No, I was right there, and I attacked you when you were like going down the slide. Oh, I freaking got you, my
I
man.
had no speed there. I couldn't have done anything.
Hey, Queen.
Yeah. All right.
Can you do
Oh, I
something?
stepped on it.
Hey, can you do like this to me? Can you do like that real fast? Oh, you got.
Gosh dang. Freaking looking at your face makes me. I'm kidding. No. Oh, yes, go, baby. Woo!
I love it.
I'm gonna go right there.
Monkey.
I put. No.
Can you see mine? Can you do something? Can you do like this to me?
No. Stop singing it. I want to put it in.
Hey.
That kid is adorable. Oh my gosh.
Please don't get me. I swear. If you didn't get me, I'll be your friend forever.
I'm
Friends, because you just tried to get me.
as British.
Blue, can you teach me, please?
Can't get that song stuck out of my head, and I don't want to sing it.
What's up, guys? Like, what's up, Danger?
Stop singing it. Man, I'm gonna put this in the video, bro.
What? Cookie Man.
I like your
Cookie
shades.
Man. There's something on your girl tag. Like, what is that badge?
Oh, that's called a Riz. That you just got Riz, my man. I wish caves were back.
Wait, first one to make that wins. I'm so dead. How is no one got me that? You think you're taller than me?
Oh no. Yo. Hey, do y'all think that Lucy's gonna come back to Gorilla Tag on Halloween?
I've not played in a while. I'm kind of rusty. I didn't know there was a new technique.
I miss Lucy. Not really.
This guy just looks so confused.
I made it.
He was gonna tag me. Kinda. I made it.
You have all the techniques.
I'm gonna practice one of my jukes. Just one. Well, why?
I'm a dick. No.
Nah, this guy.
Alright, he's a sweat. Aw, freaking missed it.
I'm dead. No, I'm not. I'm not slow.
I know you're purple. You're purple, right?
No.
Oh, you're not? Dang.
I made it! No!
Long arms.
No!
I wish I had long arms. Kidding. Long arms is
Go to
stupid.
Secret Tunnel with me. Let's go Secret Tunnel with me.
Not me.
Wait.
I'm kidding. I was kidding this entire time. No, you gotta be kidding me! No!
Yeah, but they're gonna say,
Number one category. Number one. Yo, bro. Then we always have to have one sweat that like lasts the longest.
That could wait an extra second. He would've got me.
Oh my.
Yeah, but they're
so
gonna
blurry.
die. I'm actually
Okay, this is very loud. Okay.
I can go
Plug
lower.
this in.
If you jump, I'll just walk that lower.
Oh crap. Alright.
I literally have the badge. I literally have the badge. Then I'll jump in fast.
Alright. Video. I mean, I really don't expect anything of y'all. Just do anything. I don't care. Make sure to just be a homie. Be nice. And, yeah. There we go.